All right, on today's episode of Python Poppy, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our learning rate scheduling module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, you recall yesterday we did start this new module here after we finished our TensorFlow callbacks. This is how far we got inside the module. We didn't do anything actually spectacular. We're just taking notes as of now. But yesterday I did tell you that we had to rerun that certain TensorFlow callbacks situation because I had the wrong value loss implemented in the code. Let me go back and find that so we can actually show you that there. Then I can pull up the one I ran. So I did take it down a notch. Initially we ran it 10 times while I was in there picking up. Initially we ran it 10 times. That's why we were able to get back the let me see if I can show you the code really quickly. You can see here. So I dropped the epics down to 5 because I didn't think we needed it that many times to run and actually pick up the what do you call it, the early stopping, but 5 wasn't enough. We didn't pick up any early stopping, but we didn't get any errors either. So let me show you the difference from yesterday to today. So yesterday we ran it 10 times and we didn't pick up any errors. As you can see, we got this morning here, early stopping conditional metric value loss, which is not available. See, that's the error we got because we didn't have the right value loss. We were supposed to have the lowercase v and a lowercase l. So that threw us off there. So we actually picked up a loss, but we couldn't actually show it because we had the wrong variables initiated. But last night I ran it again and I had the right word in this time. We weren't able to capture any early stopping, but you can see we didn't have any warnings this time. So that means it is initiated correctly and everything's working smoothly. We just didn't pick anything up because I dropped it from 10 epics for the first time down to 5, thinking that would be enough to capture any early stopping, which it wasn't. It's not a bad thing. It just means that our model is working good and is moving in one direction, meaning it's going to keep getting better over time as opposed to fluctuating up and down. So that was that there. Everything's working smoothly. I'm not going to run it the third time because everything is working. But if we really needed to see early stop, I would just put a bunch of epics up there and let it run and capture it that way. But at least we know it's working and it is moving smoothly. So yeah, so we're up in this learning rate scheduling module now. And like I said, we didn't do anything spectacular in it. We're just going over some documentation, taking notes. And yeah, so as things progress, we'll probably start doing things in this actual module too. Let's go over a quick overview of the learning rate scheduler and here are some callbacks. Up until this point, we've been using one fixed learning rate to train our models. So we could fix our learning rate to, let's say, 0.01 like we've been doing, and we use the same learning rate throughout the entire process. But it happens that if the learning rate is too large, then we reach diverging. And if the learning rate is too small, it could take too long for our model to converge. Let me show you what the learning rates actually are, how we've been doing them here. I forget exactly where we implemented it today. I know it's up here somewhere with the learning rates. Let's see if I can find it really quick so I can show you. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. Here you go, here inside our optimizer atom. So this is our learning rate here. That's all it is. Up until now, we've just been using one fixed learning rate, 0.01. But with this new module, it's going to show us how we can actually modify that so we can use diverse learning rates so we can switch them up as we go along in our training. So we don't have to train an entire epic with just a 0.01. We can actually stop it, increase it, or decrease it as we see fit. But yeah, as we move forward, I will definitely keep you posted on that. But of course, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.